Okay, so this is number 14 on quiz number 7, checkpoint quiz 7. And so I've written number 14 up here, and I just want to show you how to set it up and how we use the factor label method to do this. And so the first thing we're going to do is, read and figure out what they're asking us to find and what they're giving us. And so if we look, they're asking us to find molecules of NO2. They're giving us 0.25 moles of NO2, right? And so the first thing you do when you do any problem in chemistry is you're always going to put what you're given over 1. And so that's what we're going to start out with here. 0.25 moles of NO2. We're going to put that over 1. Okay? And now it asks us to find how many molecules. Well, in this journey, you are introduced to moles, and it tells you that 1 mole of anything, 1 mole of any particle, any substance, is going to equal Avogadro's number, right? 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. And that could be 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. And so this is going to be the equality we use, right? This is going to be the equality that we use to make our conversion factor, and so that we can use the factor label method up here. And so, since we are converting moles to moles of NO2 to molecules of NO2, we know that we need to put molecules of NO2 in the numerator, right? And we're going to put moles down here. And if we put moles of NO2 down here, we can cancel moles of NO2, and we are left with molecules of NO2, and that's what we're looking for, right? And so our equality is 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of NO2. And so we're just going to plug that in. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. And then you're just going to multiply through 0.25 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. And when you multiply these numbers in scientific notation, remember that you're first going to multiply the coefficients of those numbers, right? And then you're going to add the 10 to the 23rd. Keeping it in correct scientific notation. Okay, and if you need to review scientific notation, how to put things in scientific notation, there is a document for that in the course resource folder. It's a module by itself. So course resources module, I guess. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks.